Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Mishi Wang. If you're new here, welcome. Join the family, click the subscribe button down below. In today's video guys, we're doing a hair tutorial. I'll be showing you how I style and install this wig. So if you want to see how I achieve this hair look, then keep on.
Pack your bags, I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me.
What's up fam, it's your girl Mishi Wang back with another video. I'll be showing you how I installed this wig unit from Blvd Hair on Amazon. I'll put the information down in the description. That is the link where you could access the hair if you'd want to purchase the hair as well. Alright, so it is 22 inches. It is a straight human virgin hair. It comes with the elastic and a pair of eyelashes. Alright, so guys, this is what the construction of the wig looks like a regular wig. It came with combs and elastic. I bleached the knots of this wig, and so it was looking really like laid, really natural. The lace was looking really good. All right, and you'll see that at the end of the video, or closer to the end of the video, if you continue watching and watch that far. Okay, all right, so it did really look really good. I must say this wig felt so good, soft, really nice. The texture was really good guys. I am going to give that to them. The texture was really good. I'm sure you'll be able to see at least like how well laid the wig was at the end of the video, or if you saw the beginning of the video how well laid the wig was, then trust me, this wig, it behaved so well. I just can't stop talk about how good the wig felt. All right, so yeah, this video is gonna be very self-explanatory, so I'm not gonna be doing too much talking. I am gonna be playing some music throughout the video, so just continue watching to the end and you'll see me pop back in when I'm through with the style and give you my thoughts. As I said, this wig is pretty easy to manage, pretty easy to handle. I did do some over bleaching of the knots. You can't really see it properly on camera, but when in natural there is a little bit of over bleach where I made the part, and so I used my eyeliner to kind of darken it a little bit, so that worked. But yeah, that's all that I need to explain that you probably wouldn't pick up from watching the video. But I did a pretty simple style on this wig, on this unit. So if you have any questions, just drop them down in the comments. But guys, just do keep on watching.
Can't escape now, ain't got it all, just figure it out. You can fake it through the ceiling to the rooftops while I'm leaving. You're my greatest mistake. Greatest mistake. Maybe I know all your secrets, but you tell me stupid lies. Oh, you think you can't escape now, ain't got it all, just figure it out. You can fake it through the ceiling to the rooftops while I'm leaving. You're my greatest mistake. Greatest mistake. Maybe I know all your secrets, but you tell me stupid lies. Oh, you think you can't escape now, ain't got it all, just figure it out.
Hey guys, so we are at the end of the video. Thank you, my troopers, for making it to the end with me. Alright, so while the camera went out, I went and did my baby hair. I touch it up, put some curls at the ends, and this is my look. Now, as I was saying, this look was inspired by the YouTuber hairstylist I Am Hustler TV. Like, I love her channel. I love her videos. Alright, she tries to do different kind of hairstyles, and I like to do that and challenge myself as well. Now, this is one of those styles that I have taken upon myself to do. This is very simple, but it's a little bit different, and I like that. I like uniqueness. Alright, so let me know how you feel about this look. Let me know how you feel about the hair. Now guys, I did this makeup look earlier. You should be seeing that video. That video should have been on my channel before this one, before this here. I'm not sure which one of them I'll be dropping first, but whichever you are seeing, look out for the other. Alright guys, this is where I'll end the video off. I am pleased with how this hair turned out. I'm also pleased with how the makeup turned out, but this video is not about the makeup. I am pleased with how the hair turned out. Guys, I want to thank you so much for your support. I am gonna put a post on my community page asking you guys your opinion on what kind of content you want to see me doing for the new year, because I am thinking I want to switch things up a little bit. Well, not necessarily switch things up, like add something different to the channel. All right, I want to just take the time out and say thank you guys for your support. I would have hoped that you guys would have had a good year, and when I say good, not necessarily all good things happening, but remember guys, when bad things happen, we use these as learning lesson. All right, so it's good in like it's still good. All right, so when bad things happen, you use that as a learning experience, so you know you never make the same mistake again, or you take steps to not make the same mistake. All right, so it's a learning lesson, so of course it's gonna be good. All right, so I'm hoping that you guys would have had a good year, guys, this year for me. And I'm gonna do a separate video talking about what the year was like for me and what I'm looking to achieve or to do in the new year coming, God's willing. But this year was a good one for me. It was such an eye-opening year for me. It was a year where I think I was a little bit too laid back, and for 2022 I know I need to put the heat on. All right, so guys, I'm gonna end this video off here. Thank you so much again for your support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Guys, want to get to 2K subscribers, go ahead and share this video with persons who you think would like this content. All right, so thank you so much for watching.